What's going on, you guys? I hope y'all are having another good day. I'm bringing y'all more content. We're out here in Dunn, North Carolina at I'm gonna be honest with you, I really don't know what it's called. I don't really know if it's a car meet or a truck show, but they got trucks here. Dirty Mac Jack's, his truck is here. And we're gonna walk around and check out some cool stuff, all right? So if you enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up because I really appreciate it. I mean, you guys will see some pretty cool stuff out here, okay? And hopefully, if everything goes right, I can get my man Jack on the camera and get a little one-on-one with him, so that'll be pretty awesome, all right? And they got a lot of stuff out. They got some cars, man. Huh? Look at the turbo on that. Diablo Formula Racing. Boy, they running some lines too. Look at that. That thing is massive. Holy shit. Got a Camaro. Look at his bumper. What he has on his back of his bumper. Oh my God, that's pretty. Holy shit. Yeah. Wow. What did you say? Fast LXR 102. That paint's pretty. Y'all see those wheels? Got them slicks on. Got a little bumblebee right here. Man, these boys got these cars tricked out, man. What in the hell? This right here is what happens when you got too much money and you don't know what to do with it. Man. This is the one we've been waiting for, y'all. Whew. You got that Whirly Custom. Uh-oh. What we got right here? Got that board warner. Wow, this is so pretty. Whirly Custom Fab. Man, this thing right here. Got some cars getting ready to line up. Nice. Oh, we got a little single cab there too, next to a Mustang. They're all staging up back there.
And shake down your car. Any no time 400 Pro Tree, you're going to be in lanes 5 and 6. So again, if you are no time on the scoreboard, say you're prepping for tomorrow.
What's up, everybody? So I finally got to link up with the man of the game, dude. I'm so happy to meet him in person. I was looking at his awesome mini mats. Yeah, they're actually getting ready right now to get out there and do some pulls that we're gonna see up there in the stand, man. Honestly, dude, it's an honor to meet you. It's a left handshake, whatever, but
man, we gotta make it work.
It's an honor to meet you, dude.
Cameron, I really appreciate your support, man.
No worries, dude.
Thank you so much. It's not often that I get to actually interact with my fans one-on-one, right? Because usually we're doing this, talking on camera. You get out here and see people's faces, dude, your excitement and all that shit. It just makes me so happy.
Dude, you know, you're one of a kind, man. Your vibe, the way you film, your sense of humor, everything I love about the channel, man. I just love it, you know, definitely. And you know, I built my channel towards that, man. And I swear, dude, like you're the role model in this industry, you know what I'm saying?
It means a lot, man. It's very humbling.
Absolutely, man. Hey, man, I'm not going to waste his time because this man is
No time's ever wasted here. It's all good.
He's a very important man. I've got to let him do his thing. They're getting the truck set up right now, putting the slicks on. Dude, I can't wait to hear this thing scream. Uh-oh, they're getting this side ready. Heck yeah.
You can't think of it. Here, I'll do it. Okay, James, just do it tomorrow. I want to hear
There seem to be some technical difficulties. No, I'm just kidding. Jesus, what in the hell? Jeez.
I love you, but...
I want to see how this is going to go.
Oh, never mind, he's spraying. Oh. He's purging. That thing's got knocked. Yeah, sorry. This will be yeah, this is going to be a good one right here. This is going to be a good one. He's still smoking.
I don't think that Mustang got a chance. Oh, gee. We got the diesel trucks.
That Grand Cherokee, keep your eyes on it.
There it is, baby. Yeah!
The tires are full.
Let's go see them up. Let's go see this run. This ought to be good. There we go. Uh-oh. Jack got him. He got him. Oh boy. Look like we got here at 6.0 and either LLY or LBZ. It's probably LLY. 6.0 might have a little something for him. We don't know yet. Let's find out. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Come on now. All right, you guys, so Dirty Max Jack did one pull you guys saw on film. I showed you guys the pull he did. He did that pull on Tune 3. You know, we were going to get an interview, but he's a very busy man. You know, he's uploading Tune 4 right now on the Mini Max. And I got the family with me. The sun's hot. It's like 90 plus degrees out here. So right before I'm leaving, we have my truck here, and I spotted this nice ass 4th gen, and I was able to talk to the owner, Kobe. This is his Ram, and we're pretty much gonna do a quick walk around on it because I really wanted to show you guys it on a tube. Let you guys check it out. All right, you guys. So right here we're looking at a 4th gen. What year is this, man?
2013.
So got 2013 4th gen, which looks really beautiful. I love the wheels. I love this color. This is like one of my favorite colors Ram made. Very nice, very clean, simple, but yet it looks good. The wheel setup, everybody's gonna want to know about that. What you rocking for wheels, man?
20 by 12 American Forces with 33 by 12.5.
Awesome.
Radar tires, and they're actually really good. They're like super quiet on the interstate. I've never really had a problem with them.
Nice, nice. And are those ATs?
20s.
No, the tires, all-terrains?
Oh yes.
Okay.
All-terrains, yep.
Nice. What'd you do with the light setup
Power
up here?
Stroke takes on the Duramax. This will be more what you see here tonight during these shootouts.
Wholesale bumper, and then I went with the 4 pods.
A great reaction time.
Just regular old Amazon eBay pods? Nice, nice. Heck yeah. You got the clear cab lights
First 1181
up top.
to 1186. See the advantage of the tree? help them out.
30% tint on the windshield with the limo tint strip.
How's that at nighttime?
It's not bad at all.
Really? I got my windshield tinted. So if yours is 30, that means mine is definitely 50 because I couldn't remember for my life if I tinted it 50 or 30%. And now that I see yours, I know what mine is now. Hell yeah, this is a beautiful truck, man. You said for deletes,
Yes.
you got
Mustang handling it.
PPEI.
Yep.
All right.
Trying to get it down fast.
Oh man, look at that old fatty. Woo.
174.
I'm about to I got an axle dump right now, but I'm about to do a side exit because it's too loud in the cab.
Got my legendary cowbell on.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, you from Tennessee?
I am.
Hell yeah. You drove all the way up here for this?
No, I'm
the event?
actually stationed at Campo Gym.
Oh, okay.
North Carolina.
I'm on New River Air Station.
Hell yeah.
Man, it's nice. Very nice, man. Can we see the hood? Or can we see the engine?
Yep.
Heck yeah. Let me get out your way.
Making his farm truck work. Man, do you know how many fields you can plow with that thing?
I know.
The old farm truck just rolling, Cole. Look at Jack. 978.
It's all good.
3 miles an hour.
Some unneeded parts fell out of this truck. This engine. That's a good thing. Oh, you got the battery blankets. That's good. Very nice. Hell yeah. Awesome.
Bought it completely stock. Man.
Bone stock? You deleted it yourself?
I got my buddy who owns Bunch's Diesel Performance.
Okay.
Did it for me.
Nice. Hell yeah. It's clean, man. Just stock tunes how you like it.
I love it.
I'll actually that.
I love it.
Reliable. How's it? 68 RFE?
Jonah from Bunch Diesel Performance tuned it as well.
Nice.
And I'm getting ready to do the Whirly Fab Custom 2nd gen swap on
Nice. You know what size turbo you're gonna go with?
S464.
Hell yeah, that's a good. That is a very good all-around turbo, especially if you're gonna keep stock fuel. Cause I got a S6, I got a S467. Ugh, can't talk in my truck, and it's a really good turbo, but you can tell it wants more fuel, even on Tune 5. So this is real nice. Let you guys see the stance right here. This is awesome. So you're a Marine over on Lejeune then?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome then. So we're in the same boat. I'm over on New River Air Station. Hell yeah, this is nice, man. Yes, sir. All right, you guys, so that's gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Please do me a favor. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. A lot of content, a lot of trucks, a lot of racing, a lot of cars and stuff like that. I thought it was good just to be able to get out and get some exposure and just see stuff, see what type of vehicles and stuff we're racing, and go from there, okay? So like always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, y'all take it easy, be safe, and peace.